Good morning, guys. Welcome to the show. Boy, do we have a good one for you today. Stay tuned. Jen, don't mind me. I'm just getting some B-roll. You know, we get excited with the cameras in the beginning of the trip, you know?
Let's vlog every aspect. Wait, Jen, take your glasses off and put them back on. Try it again.
Cue the intro.
Wait, it's sunny. Let's vlog it.
It is sunny. It's beautiful out, man. Wow, what a wonderful Monday. Woo! You guys super amped? Huh? Huh? Crickets. Crickets. Nothing. Maryland. No texting, Jen. No texting in Maryland. What are you guys doing?
Don't jump in your pee.
Oh man. What are you guys, a bunch of hillbillies? Alright, so we're south of Berkeley Springs here. We had to make a pit stop because Cash had to go pee. Hi Paisley. Hi Miss Whiny Blue Eyes. Man, these trips are just getting longer and longer. You guys still have no idea where we're going yet, huh? Stay tuned! Paisley, we're in Virginia! Woo! You excited? Please be open, 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 please be open.
I'm not gonna be as nice this time if it's not.
I'm sorry we're closed on Tuesdays and Wednesdays this time of year.
Why did I not use my own common sense?
Second time's a charm, baby. Woo! All right, this is our voiceover because the microphone didn't work there at the water park. Wonderful. Ready? One. Hi. Two.
Hi.
Hi. Three.
Welcome to the water park.
All right, thank you guys. Did you have fun at the water park? Hey, what are you doing? Okay, you're definitely hanging out with mommy. Hi. Hello. Hi. So this is our second time to the water park, and finally we scored. They are open. There you go. Is it open? Yeah! Let's go, baby! Whew. All right, you ready, little ladybug? Wow! They're open, guys. I can't believe it. Oh man, I'm out of breath. Yeah, John. They're open. There's that big bucket. Yeah! Big change from last year, huh?